to my channel, and it's been a hot minute since I have sat down and filmed any tutorial, so I just thought of doing that today. And I did this beautiful bronzy brown eye look, and I really love wearing this kind of looks. I do this look very often actually, and I just thought of sitting down and sharing it with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with some concealer, and then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Mastery palette. I love this palette so much. I feel it's so underrated. It's a beautiful palette. So I'm going to start by taking this nude brown color, and I'm packing this shade on my crease and I'm blending it out. Then I took this shade, which is slight bit darker, to deepen my crease. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful bronzy shade and I'm applying this all over my lid. Also, this palette has the most beautiful buttery metallic shades ever. I feel the metallics are even better than Huda's, and that's one of the reason why I feel like these palettes from LA Girl are so underrated. If you guys are a fan of shimmers and metallics, I would definitely recommend you guys to check this palette out. And then I'm gonna go into this dark brown chocolatey shade, and I'm using this on my outer corner. You guys know this is pretty much my go-to technique, and it's quite easy actually. This is what I do almost all the time. And after that, I'm just going to clean the edges of my eyes just to give it a more sharper look. So moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. This one is in the sample size. So every time I order anything from Smashbox, I get this primer free for some reason, and I have so many of these primers lying around. So finally I decided to use one, but then again it wasn't really blurring my pores, so I decided to go in with the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, and I applied it over my pores. Also, please excuse the lash that is tucked on my jacket. Like, trust me, I was looking for it everywhere, like everywhere. Little did I know that it was on me. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, and honestly I do like it. It feels like my skin. It has this light to medium coverage, great for everyday basis, but I don't really use it outside because the shade is just so light for me. So I thought, let's at least use it in my videos because I obviously don't want to end up wasting it. I have been weirdly enjoying recording this voiceover because I'm just realizing that I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a hot minute. So yeah, I think we should go back to basics and do more tutorials. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Next, for concealer, I took my Sugar Magic Wand Concealer. It is in the shade 30 Chocochino, and I mixed it with my L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer. It is in the shade 312. I have been really loving the combination of these two concealers because the Sugar Magic Wand Concealer is sort of creamy, blends out easily, and the Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal, it's sort of matte, so the combination of the two concealers works great for me. And then I just went ahead and set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It is in the shade Light Medium. By this point, I'm pretty sure all of you guys already know what I use for my brows, but just in case if you're new, I use the Wet n Wild brow kit, and I just filled in my brows. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer. It's from Benefit, and I think this bronzer is great for contouring, like bronzing and contouring, and I really like it. Since the time I bought this bronzer, I couldn't stop using it. I think it is one of my favorite bronzer. At this point, if you'd ask me to pick my favorite bronzer, I would definitely pick this. I just like how it complements my skin tone. It looks really great. For my blush, I use this one. It's from L'Oreal Paris, and it is in the shade Be Fierce. It is warm, it is beautiful, and I think this blush is perfect for the look that I'm going for. Next, I'm using the Nykaa's Good Old Gold highlight, but I forgot to hit the record button, so here is what happened next. So I literally forgot to hit the record button. So what I did was I applied some falsies, and I applied the Better Than Sex mascara from Benefit. And for my lips, I actually applied these two lipsticks. So the first one is from Rimmel. It is in the shade Love Bite, and I applied it as a base, and on the top of that I applied the Smashbox Stepping Out lipstick. And yeah, this is the final look. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And also take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.